Okay, if you're curious as to whether you should spend 60 bucks a pop for these plastic or vinyl type covers for these doors, I think the only person that has it that I'm aware of that is 928 RS Roger there. Anyways, I think it's worth it. I didn't think so at first because I wasn't sure what it would be like, but it's actually really nice. It's like a thick plastic or vinyl, and then it's sticky on the other side, like completely. So it just does a really good job of staying in place. It's the original Porsche whatever part, and it went on real easy. The other thing I did was it didn't have these holes, and so I took an old soldering iron and just kind of melted the holes out. The other thing I wanted to show was this piece right here, this trim piece. Let's see how it came out really well. It's not focusing. Is it? Let's see if I can focus. Anyways, this piece came out extremely well. So I had it. Anyways, you have to take my word for it. It came out really well. I had it reupholstered in vinyl. I had to get that little plastic piece, I bought, again, I bought that from 928 International, and I bought it used, but luckily it was brand new. So these pieces right there, that was like the hardest thing to put in. The upholstery guy had just marked it or cut a little section, and popping that in was not easy because that piece is kind of delicate. But anyways, I thought it came out really well. All right, here's the finished product. This is the right side. Hopefully you can see that. I'm pretty happy with myself. Thought that worked out really well. I was kind of concerned about the color contrast here, but that's not. There you go, the color contrast. But that works well. The black and whatever, beige. All right, I want to show the inside of this trim piece. So what I had to do was glue these clips on. I used JB Weld plastic. I think it did a pretty good job. I gooped it on there. I cleaned each clip really well, and then what did I do? I cleaned each clip really well. The plastic underneath extremely well, and then let it sit overnight. So hopefully that'll hold. Alright, this is the driver's side that's finished. It's that trim piece. That part right there doesn't look super finished, but there's not a whole lot I can do about that. I wish I could say this was easy. Everything on this car is somewhat difficult. Especially this stuff. You have to, I don't know, that was all, it's kind of complicated. But I believe everything works. That definitely works. I have to double check the speakers, but I feel confident they're going to work. These lights that works. All right, that's it. Again, pretty happy with how that all turned out.